In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly integrate Xpressbees with your Shopify store using a third-party application. The first thing you need to do is to find the right app that will help you with this integration process. This isn't strenuous as it might seem. Here's how you go about it. Navigate to the Shopify App Store and run a search for a shipping app that supports Xpressbees. One such application, which comes highly recommended, is one developed by Plugin Hive. Once you have located the appropriate app, the next step is to add it to your Shopify store. It is the equivalent of installing software onto your computer. Simply click on your selected app, follow the prompted steps, and in a flash, the app will be installed and displayed on your Shopify dashboard. The third step involves connecting your Xpressbees account to the newly installed app. This process is straightforward, as the app will give you step-by-step instructions on how to achieve this. All you'll need to do is follow the instructions diligently, and your Xpressbees account will be successfully linked up with the app in your Shopify store. Our next task involves configuring your settings within the application. This includes setting up your shipping zones and shipping rates, alongside other bespoke preferences that would tailor the app to your specific needs. You might need to consult your shipping policy to ensure that the settings on the app align perfectly with your pre-existing rates and shipping zones. Apart from connecting Xpressbees with Shopify, integration comes with a plethora of benefits that enhance your operations and give your buyers a better shopping experience. One noticeable benefit is the automation of the shipping process. The app takes over after a sale is made, preparing the item for shipping and completing the majority of the shipping process on your behalf. Additionally, integrating Xpressbees with Shopify through an app enables you to display live shipping rates to your customers. This offers transparency and lets the buyer know exactly how much they are paying for shipping. It eliminates any surprises that might sour the customer's shopping experience on your store. Moreover, the app has a feature that enables you to print shipping labels straight from your Shopify store. This simplifies the logistics involved in shipping, saving you time and resources. The cherry on top is the provision of real-time tracking updates for your customers. Being privy to their order's journey from your store to their doorstep gives customers peace of mind and enhances their overall shopping experience at your Shopify store. And that's it. You have now integrated Xpressbees with your Shopify store. Enjoy the advantages it brings along and watch your e-commerce business flourish. Remember, your success is always in the details.